Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is transfer learning. Let's start it. Transfer learning is a machine learning techniques where our model trained on one task is repurposed or fine-tuned for another related task. This approach enable the model to leverage knowledge and future learned from the initial task to improve performance on the new task. Benefit of transfer learning: first is reduced training time and data requirements. Second is improved model performances and accuracy. Third is the ability to adapt to new tasks and domains. Four is enhance future extraction and representation types of transfer learning. First is indicative transfer learning applies knowledge from one task to another retail task. Second is transdictive transfer learning applies knowledge from one domain to another related domain. Third is unsupervised transfer learning applies knowledge from enabled data to improve performance on labeled data. Application of transfer learning: first is first is computer vision, object detection, image classification, segmentation. Second is natural language processing, NLP, language models, sentiment analysis, text classification. Third is speech recognition, speech to text voice recognition. Four is robotic control policy reinforcement learning. Popular transfer learning models: first is peer trained convolutional neural networks, CNNs, VGG, ResNet in caption. Second is peer trained recurrent neural networks, RNNs, LSTN, GRU. Third is peer trained language models, BERT, ROBERTA, World 2 VEC. Challenges and limitation: first is domain shift and data sets base. Second is overfitting and underfitting. Third is selecting to appropriate peer trained model and fine tuning strategies. Four is balancing knowledge transfer and task specific learning. Best practices: first is choose relevant peer trained model and tasks. Second is fine tune and model with a small learning rate. Third is use regularization techniques to prevent of overfitting. Four is monitor performance on a validation set. By leveraging transfer learning, you can build more accurate and efficient models and adapt to new tasks and domains with reduced training time and data requirements. Here are some additional aspects of transfer learning. Transfer learning techniques: first is fine tuning, adjusting pre-training trained model weights for a new task. Second is future extraction, using pre-trained model future as input for new tasks. Second is weight sharing weight between models for related tasks. Four is multitask learning, training a single model on multiple tasks simultaneous. Transfer learning in deep learning: first is convolutional neural network, CNNs, transfer learning for image classification, object detection, segmentation. Second is recurrent neural networks, RNNs, transfer learning for language modeling, text classification, speech recognition. Third is transform Transformers transfer learning for NLP tasks such as machine translation, question answering. Transfer learning in reinforcement learning. First is policy transfer, transferring policy between related tasks.